Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I still think there is a chance that we are going to push down because the daily trend is definitely still down. Now, I can't rule out the possibility of this being a big ABC correction and this just continuing to make higher highs, higher lows, so we definitely need to be aware of that. But it does look like it needs to either go down for the ABC to the uptrend, or because the daily trend is down, it still could end up just continuing down and making new lows. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, definitely very, very sideways price action, and there is a little bit of a break of structure here. So I was thinking this was either an A or one. I was thinking that this was going to be three waves for either a B or A2, and that we were either going to push down for a C, which might look something like that, and then later on continue up, or maybe it's going to push down for a three. If it's a three, it would just continue to make lower lows, lower highs. Still, to me, that does seem like the most likely scenario just because of the pattern I see on the very high time frames, like the daily. I still think it's either going to go down for an ABC or possibly a 1, 2, 3. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.